That's her. That's her. That's her. That's her. Say that's her. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve these passion twists, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Today we're gonna be doing passion twists. Water away. And some edge control. Lottabody. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. As you guys can see, I've already gotten started and gotten some done. But what I'm going to do is take 2 strands of the water wave hair. Then I'm going to kind of brush them out using like a paddle brush. Then I'm going to connect it with my hair, just twisting it, splitting the section into 2, and then twisting it together. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you like a closer, slowed down look of me actually attaching it to my roots. But I also did want to mention that in these sections, I am not parting my hair. I'm just using my fingers to part each section, and that's just the way I decided to do them. So to start off, what I do is I take a section of my hair and I apply the edge control all to the roots of that section that I'm going to put into the twist. Then, like I said, I take 2 pieces of the water wave hair, then I take the ends and brush them out, and then brush up a little bit further past the ends, but I don't brush the whole strands of hair. Then I go ahead and I attach it to my head by splitting my hair, that part, into 2 pieces. So then I put the free tress hair in the middle, and then I twist one side with my hair, hold it, twist the other side with the other piece of my hair, and then go ahead and twist them together like a normal 2-strand twist. And as you can see here, I messed up and I had to like take it out and do it again, and it happens. It's happened over and over again as I was doing my hair, but that's just a part of the process for me because I am not a professional yet. So after I finish each pack of hair, I would go ahead and take the styling foam and apply it to my hair. So I would just take about maybe 3 or 4 pumps, spray it, and spread it all out through the top and the bottom, and just do that for each side, as you guys will see. And as you can see, the styling foam that I'm using is the Lottabody brand as well. So now we're at the top of the hair, and I'm going to show you guys again what I do step by step. So first, I take the edge control. I'm going to apply it all over the roots of the section that I'm going to twist up. So after I completely apply the edge control, I take the part, split it into 2. Then I'm going to grab the 2 strands of crochet hair and begin to twist them together and interlock it with the roots, as you'll see in just a moment. Okay, so as you can see here, my hair is split into the 2 parts. I place the crochet hair in the middle of my hair and begin twisting, as you can see right now, each side with each piece of my hair. So I'm twisting the crochet hair and my hair together, and then I'm going to cross them over and begin twisting like I would with a normal twist. So now my hair is interlocked with the crochet hair, so everything is connected and it's good to go. Once the roots are secure, you just continue to twist down all the way to the end. Once you get to the end, you just finger twirl it and you're all done. So this is the finished look. These are all of my twists. It took me, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it took me forever to do these twists. It was a lot going on. When I started doing my twist, I kept getting interrupted, but it doesn't matter, we are finished. And now, this is the final result. You turn around to the back so you guys can see. Okay. I did realize that it was out of frame when I was showing what hair I used, so I used the Lulutress crochet hair in the water wave in the color 2 because they ran out of one. The store I went to didn't have 1B. They also didn't have the Free Tress brand, which everybody else had. They had sold out of that as well. So that's it.